angry. I hashtag Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. I voted for them. And to see my people being treated this way, they are fleeing because of the conditions in Haiti, because of the earthquakes, because of the disasters, because of the political unrest. And this is how they're being treated. They're being treated like they are criminals. They're being treated, I feel like I'm watching a slave movie. These patrol officers are on horseback, and they are whipping people, innocent people who just want to be treated fairly and get food. We can't seem to get a break, and it breaks my heart, and I am ashamed that this is how Americans are treating other immigrants. I came as an immigrant. I didn't speak a word of English. My mom brought us here for a better life, and we work so hard when we're immigrants. I am